Welcome back, and let's breathe together for 4. Up, inhale, exhale, and again up and down. 2 more. And last one. That's it. And let's bring your right heel a tiny bit onto the chair. With a little bit of a space, press your heel, open your arms right here. So shoulders down and back, squeeze towards the back, and you can even point your thumbs down towards the floor. So feel the opening in the front here, shoulders and chest, and the base right above your heel, soleus. And release your arms. Let's switch your legs. Same thing. Press your heel on the floor. Notice if there's a difference between both legs. Let's open your arms, right hand cactus. See, I'm doing even a little chin tuck here to bring my ears again in line with my shoulders. Breathe. That's it. And release. Let's do your hips right here. Piriformis. So nice and tall. If you want to feel it more, hinge on the hips. Come forward a tiny bit more. So try to relax completely here. Little chin tuck. And go back to your breath. And slowly release. And let's switch your legs. Same thing. Shoulders down and back. Hands on the hips to come forward. Relax your shoulders. And again, feel it right here. So I want you to feel relaxed in your fingers, arms, and of course your shoulders. Feel the difference between both hips. There's always one tighter. And slowly release the legs. Let's do your hip flexors. You're going to open your legs right here. Shoulders are down and back. And look straight ahead. Optional to bring your arm up and drop your shoulder. And let's go side. So I'm bringing my hand right here on my seat. Side crunch or side. I want you to feel the side stretch right here on your body. And let's go up and in rotation. So bring your hand on the outside and rotate towards the chair. So shoulders are down. And slowly come back to neutral. Bring the leg as well back to neutral. Let's switch it up. Again, lift the heart, shoulders down and back. And look straight ahead. And you're welcome to bring your arm up. You know it's optional. Drop your shoulder and breathe. And let's go side. Again, keep your heart up. Inhale up, exhale, let's go in rotation. Right here again, drop your shoulders, listen to your back, and slowly come back, bring the leg back as well to neutral. We're going to stand up and let's do your triceps. So brush your hair, touch your upper back, slide your head a little bit lower between your shoulder blades if you can, and elbow very close to your head. So feel it right here. And then you need to breathe. Good. And release. Same thing the other side. Let's go up. So you're welcome to push underneath your elbow. If you're flexible enough, maybe some of you are able to go towards the back. And again, breathe. Beautiful. Good. And release. Okay, we're going to do chest and calves at the same time. So remember, I'm going to grab the back corner of the chair here, closest leg to the chair, come forward. And I'm going to step back, keep the heel down. You're going to adjust yourself here with your arm, and we're going to look straight ahead. Other arm that doesn't do anything, you're welcome to bring it behind your back. More you're going to bend the front knee, more you should feel it at your hip flexors again, but your calf at the back. And slowly release your arms, push forward, let's switch sides. Grab the back corner of the chair, step forward, and again, keep your heel on the floor, lift your eyes, and then your other arm, you're welcome to bring it behind your back. So we're trying to rotate as well a little bit this way towards the lake to open more the shoulder and chest. Are you breathing? Good. And release your arm, push forward, march. And let's breathe again together. We're going to inhale, exhale, and one more time. Let's go up. Good. And release.